Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, make sure to check out my other content on my page. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup look for Christmas. No, I'm not a makeup artist, but I do love doing my makeup for different events and stuff like that, so I do enjoy it. So let's get to it. I do have some acne on my face, so just try to ignore it. But today I will be starting with my eyebrows. I will not be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows, but they do need to be done, so I'm going to be starting there. I'm going to be starting out with my eyelids. I will be priming them with a concealer. Not really priming them, but more concealing so that you can see the shadow better on the eyelid. So that's what I'll be starting with, but I will be starting with the lighter brown that's next to that darker brown at the lower right. I will be putting this in my crease, you guys. I think it's better to start with some type of brush that's for the crease, because you can kind of get a better feel of how to put the powder in. So it definitely all depends on the type of brushes that you use. So you want to make sure that you have the proper utensils to use when you're using your makeup, because it may or may not work out for you. So I'm still putting the lighter brown color in my crease area. You guys, you have to ignore this acne on my face. Like, I didn't even know that it was this bad. It looks so much better now, but it looked so bad in the video. So now I'm going to be concealing my eyelids, and my eyelids only, not my crease, but my eyelids with a lighter shade, so that the color that I will be putting on there will be pigmented. I did both of my eyelids concealed, and now I'm going to be putting a tan color on them to kind of like set them for the other color that I will be putting on top of my eyelids. You guys, this was a super simple look. I'm still trying to, make sure that my eyelids are always blended. I think I struggle the most with that. That's why you want to make sure that you have a good brush to blend. I struggle with blending sometimes, so you want to make sure that you blend. So now I'm taking the gold, shimmery, glittery, whatever you want to call it, color, and I'm putting it on top of my eyelid, on top of that lighter tan color that I put on top of the concealer. Sweeping it all the way over. Now I added the darker brown to the end of my crease, basically, to give it that ombre effect. So you want to just make sure that you add the gold glittery color to the eyelid all the way over, and then you want to add the darker brown to the ends of the crease and blend it out. Okay, so I tried to do the thing where you kind of use a color to kind of like get rid of the acne that you may have, but this didn't really work out for me for some reason. I guess maybe because I used whatever I used, but maybe I wasn't supposed to use that color. Maybe I could use green. And so now I'm taking my MAC Pro concealer, and so now I'm using my MAC Pro foundation, and I'm applying it to my whole entire face. Yeah, as you can see, the blemish that I have is still there. It's not even here anymore. Like today, it's not even there because I've been washing my face. I have great products. Thankfully, I have great products that help with my acne. So now I will be using my concealer under my eyelids, on my nose, under my cheekbone, on my chin, and somewhat like near my frown lines. I guess that's what you call it. You can add your concealer wherever you want to add it. It's up to you, or whatever you want to do. But this is how I add my concealer, so that because the areas basically that you want to highlight, that's where you will add your concealer. Okay, guys, don't just be adding your concealer in those places that you feel like, oh well, I don't want to brighten this area. These areas that I feel like I want to brighten. So you can, they have little things where you can look up. They have Pinterest, so you can know the areas that are better highlighted. So you can definitely look that up and check it out. That's how I learned myself, you know. And by the way, this is LA Pro Concealer. So the other concealer I added was a dark concealer from e.l.f. I added it to my forehead, my cheekbones, and I also added it to the bridge of my nose. I'm not sure if I showed that part, but I definitely did. And you want to make sure that you blend very well. You have to blend everything out. This is kind of like the fun part, you know, the easy part. You have to blend everything out. Okay, so you see that? Yeah, see, so now you see the concealer on my nose now. So you always want to make sure that you have something to set your concealers with, even set your foundation with. Very important, so that you, if you don't want that shiny look, you have to make sure that you set it if you don't have a primer. I added my lashes, and they are from Lash Dreams, you guys. I love these lashes. I did 3 different lip looks, so it's up to you to choose one. I was more happier with the last one, so that's what I kind of went with. So you guys, this was a super simple, easy look for me. Like I said, I went with the ombre lip. So you guys, this is the completed look, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys subscribe to me, comment below, and I might do another giveaway. I did do the giveaway last time, and I didn't make it public to who won, but I was super excited, you guys, and hopefully you guys follow me and keep up with my content. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure you like this video. Thank you.